So let's get right to it. So I'm going to be clicking on the main house and also on this down proof course, and I can go on to my edit mode. What I want to do is I want to bevel these edges, and you can see this is the edge that is associated with this corner. I'm going to be clicking everything right now. So click everything. You can do it once, really. I don't think it really makes any difference if you do it once and for all. So what I just want to achieve is I want to make sure that I'm beveling everything, and I'm beveling everything in the same order. Another method of doing this, because once you bevel, it kind of affects your ability to edit your edges. So you might want to like draw a layer on top of this, a layer on top of this drawing, and then bevel the layer, so that you can always have your main building to be editable. Control B is what you use to bevel. Then you can bevel. Let's just take it, because initially I think I have 5 layers or something, and that's why you are seeing it coming out with 5 layers. It shouldn't come out with 5 layers normally. It should just come out with 1 by default, but because I've already beveled something on this project before, that's why you have it coming out as 5. And as you can see, the segments here are actually 5, and that's what I'm talking about. So I want my width to be something like, let's say 50, and 50 is very, very small. You can make your width to be bigger, but I think I'm okay with 50, so I can just go to 75, because I still want it to be obvious in my drawing, even though I don't want it to be too obvious, because I'm not drawing a round corner. You can also use this bevel to achieve a round corner on your 3D architectural drawing. It can help you to achieve a pretty much decent round corner. But for now, this is what we're using to do. Let's just go around and see if our drawing is well beveled, and as you can see, it's all well beveled. And we can go to our object mode to observe what we have just done, and as you can see, this is no longer the edge that we have initially. One thing we missed out here also is the roof. The roof beams too, we need to actually bevel that too, so that everything will be uniform. So we're just going to be clicking on the edges at the corner. That's what we're beveling, because that's what we want. And as you can see now, we have this rounded edge here, which looks more, I think it looks more realistic for what we are doing. So Control B. So we're going to be using the same setting we have here. So we just take this to 75, so that everything is going to be uniform.